every season. So what can we expect now? I'm so excited.
I'm actually about to put out my denim line, so I'm gonna make the sexy mom jeans.
What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Want another bite?
I love working with animals, but my allergies put me in a fog. So now I'm Claritin Clear. Claritin is the clear choice because it works good on all my allergies.
Are you being cute? Are you being cute? Where's those funny faces? Here.
For me, Claritin works so well, sometimes I even forget I have allergies, which helps me focus on what's important.
You were making funny faces. Tell Daddy hi. Yeah. Tell Daddy hi. Tell Daddy hello. Say I love you, Daddy. Say I love you. Can you give him a smile? Alright, say bye, Daddy. Love you. Have a good day. Say bye. Say bye, Daddy. Bye-bye.